Why constant reinvention is keeping you stuck. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for joining us again today on Wisdom Minute as we round up these lessons from the shark. We're on the 5th episode, which is the final episode, and we're looking at another strategy from the shark, which I call the shark strategy. Why constant reinvention is keeping you stuck. The sharks have existed for over 400 million years according to paleontologists and evolutionists, and that's long before dinosaurs and long before humans. They have survived mass extinctions, changing oceans, and extreme shift in climate. Entire species disappeared, but the sharks remained. Why? Because its design works. It didn't need to reinvent itself every century. Instead, it refined what already worked. Now look at human life. Many people keep changing direction. New plan this week, new strategy next month. They are always starting but rarely mastering. And that is where progress is lost. We see many entrepreneurs jump from one business idea to another, never staying long enough to build depth and expertise. But look at Coca-Cola. It maintained a core product for over a century. Instead of constant reinvention, they focused on refining, branding, and scaling what already works. And that makes a world of difference. This is the lesson the shark is teaching us. Very strategic. Longevity is not built on endless change. It is built on systems that work again and again. So instead of trying to change every 6 months, trying to get into new stuff, find what works, improve it, refine it, master it. Like we talked in the previous series, we talked about the elephant. It takes time to build some stuff. Wisdom takes time. Experience takes time. So instead of jumping to something new to start afresh, why don't you master the one you're doing? Don't keep restarting. Build something that lasts. I hope you learned something from this series on the shark. Will I see you in the next series when we're talking about tortoise? I know you wouldn't want to miss that. Thanks so much for your time, and if you are new to this channel, please do well to click on the subscription button, share the video so others will learn, and you can also share what you've learned in the comment section so that we all learn and share from your own perspective. Thanks so much. Until I see you in the next one. Bye bye.